Kushal sells 10 toffees for a rupee, gains 20%. How many did he buy for a rupee? Now, Kushal sells 10 toffees for rupee 1. So the price for one toffee must be 1 upon 10 rupee. Okay. So this is the selling price 1 upon 10. Now we have the formula selling price is equal to cost price into multiplier, which we can use when profit percentage is given. Now profit percent conceptually it is like percentage increase. So the value of M becomes 1 plus fraction equivalent. Now selling price of the toffee, one toffee is 1 by 10. So we can easily find out the cost price of one toffee. Now the multiplier will become 1 plus 20 by 100. So therefore 1 by 10 is equal to cost price into 6 by 5. Okay. So we have here 5 twos are 10. So therefore we can say cost price of one toffee is 1 upon 12. Now we have to find out how many did he buy for a rupee. So the number of toffees he can buy for 1 rupee will be number of toffees is equal to 1 upon 1 upon 12. So therefore 12 toffees he can buy in 1 rupee.